Alright, I'll just make this a real quick one. So, my name is Nathan Kobabe, and I am doing this assignment like the rest of y'all. So, let's just keep going. Alright, so I want to be a clinical psychologist. I want to research and publish, and I want to work with patients and run experiments and basically do all that. I haven't focused on a specific field yet, but something within that range I'm hoping to get into. My education, I'm leaning towards a PsyD. My PhD still, I'm thinking about it because we all know the pros and cons of both, and but like I said, I'm leaning towards the PsyD, and I think that'll be the best option for me for going into more practice than teaching or other options. 4-year plan, I think it works about the same that all of us do. My 4-year plan is to get through the bachelor's degree and head on to higher education, and hopefully nothing goes wrong in between then. But who knows, Let's picture me because I think that's what they asked for. I know you all were just dying to know who this sultry voice belongs to. So there you go. Why am I interested in psychology? That's probably the most interesting thing I'll have to say today, is because everything else is boring. Like, everything else is been really explored to the point where it's like a lot of opinions, and I feel like psychology is still changing enough where I can explore it, and I can not get totally bored with going through it, because we've been going through it in these methods for 100 years, and we haven't made exactly life altering. Well, yes, we have made life altering discoveries, but we still don't know so much. And so I've always thought that this is the one I'm going to get bored with last, because people are always changing and we constantly don't understand ourselves, let alone each other. So yeah, there's that. How does it compare to chapter 13? I'm just looking at table 13.1 right now. It's page 172 if you guys would be so inclined. And I'm just looking at these reasons for becoming a psychology major, and I agree with a few of them. Don't agree, obviously, with a few of them. Obviously, psychology is not just an easy major. If it were, I would not be, as stressed as I am. But I'm probably there with that number one reason. I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. Maybe research isn't my favorite thing, but just psychology as a whole is it's interesting. It'll keep me entertained, and it's a good goal to set. Past that, I think that's about it. Have any questions, have any comments, have any concerns, please leave in the comments below, and I will get back to you. Thank y'all.